What's going on with MMTLP is dipping below our support. Everybody waiting for Mondays. So that's why we see a short attack on MMTLP before that day. We're going to discuss where the reversal and where the whale will buy a discounted price for MMTLP in coming days. And we're going to discuss as well after that MMAT. So let's dive right in. As everybody knows, if you're new here, we do always update for MMTLP and MAT and price action, where the price will squeeze and where the price will reverse. Because last time we discussed MMTLP, it was here. We predicted this huge squeeze around the 14th of November and the price went until the 12th. And guess what? We said we need to hold above this ascending line to confirm the bullish momentum. And of course, breaking the 10, but we didn't have this reaction. And by today, we broke the $7.53, the important support. You see, the moment that we broke the $7.53, we had a huge short opened for MMTLP. And guess what? Right now, we bouncing from our AMA. As we suggested before in the last videos, we said we're gonna see a test for our AMA when the price was accumulating here above the $7.53. Let us go quick for MAT and see the price action. The same kind of scenario happened for MMTLP when we broke this ascending channel. It happened for MAT today. We broke from our ascending channel. And now for MAT, we didn't have the test for this AMA. So just watch out because now we're still holding above the $1.60. So MAT looking better than MMTLP technical wise because we're still holding important support for MAT and still bullish right now for MAT because we're still holding the $1.60. But let's discuss all the possible scenario because everything could goes. If we held for MAT above the $1.60, is mean the squeeze will happen pretty soon for MAT before the end of this year because this will happen accumulation, of course, then breaking the $2.28, which will be the possible squeeze area for MAT to go toward the $2.84. The reaction that I don't want to see that already happened for MMTLP is going toward this AMA and test the $1.35 as we suggested before. This will be the bottom where we see a huge wick like what happened for MATLP. A wick happened right around our AMA. So for MAT, if we broke the $1.60, we're gonna see a test for this AMA above the $1.35 and above the $1.24. This should be the bottom for this year if we broke the $1.60. For MMTLP, in the coming days, because we have just few days before Monday, the price should go and gravitate higher again to retest the $7.53. This is now turning to a resistance. What does mean a resistance? Is mean the short seller is heavily positioned there. This is a huge fight. It means when the price go there, the short will short even more MMTLP to drive the price down. So we need more buying pressure than to offset the selling pressure in order to have the squeeze and break the $7.53. That's why we said there's a huge probability that the price will get rejected again. So if we get rejected around the $7.53, is mean the price is not ready to squeeze and we're gonna go around the $3.33, the possible bottom or where the whale will buy discounted price as we said in the beginning of our video. So watch out for this reaction. Right now, this is good that we have a bit of bottom around the $5.30. Now in the coming days, we're gonna see a test for the $7.53. If we broke this level of resistance, the $7.53, is mean this was the support and the whale bought here. If it happened before Monday or at Monday, the $7.53 will have a parabolic price to go until the $10. Still, the $10 is still our squeeze area for MMTLP, but the $7.53 will confirm if the price will continue to go further and make this as our bottom or not. So we have to watch out closely for this reaction in coming days. So hit the notification and like button so you never miss any of my future update because we're gonna do daily update here for MMTLP and MMAT. So stay tuned for that and see you in the next update.